Looking for a secure browser and stuck between Zen browser and Brave? Let me break this down for you. Today we are comparing two privacy focused browsers that promise to keep your data safe while browsing. Both Zen browser and Brave block trackers and ads. By default, they aim to speed up your browsing while protecting your privacy from online surveillance. Zen browser is built on Firefox with a minimalist design approach. It strips away unnecessary features to create a distraction free browsing experience. The browser focuses on simplicity and essential privacy protections without overwhelming users with options. Brave is built on Chromium with aggressive privacy features and a built in crypto ecosystem. It blocks ads and trackers automatically and offers Brave rewards for viewing privacy respecting ads. The browser includes a built in wallet and supports decentralized web features. The main difference is philosophy and feature set. Zen browser keeps things minimal and straightforward. Brave packs in more features including crypto integration, private search, and a reward system. For features, Brave offers more built-in tools including private video calls, offline playlist, and a native crypto wallet. Zen browser provides a cleaner interface with less visual clutter and simpler settings. Both offer good privacy protection compared to mainstream browsers. Pricing is free for both. Brave generates revenue through optional ad programs and premium features. Zen browser relies on donations and community support. So, which one fits you? If you want a simple, clean browser without extra features, Zen browser works well. If you prefer more built in tools and do not mind extra features, Brave offers more functionality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more browser comparisons. See you next time.